Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Dream Garage from Honda Canada. Let's get started. Today's tip, removing and installing grips on your dirt bike. Whether your grips are torn, ripped, worn out, or you just want to change things up, replacing them is pretty easy, and it's something that every rider should know how to do. To do this, carefully slice the grip down the center and remove it. Remember, grips are usually glued on, so twisting or pulling them off won't be very easy. Once the grip is removed, clean off any leftover glue and residue with contact cleaner and wipe the handlebar with a rag. Next, inspect your new grips. You will see that one grip's inside diameter is smaller than the other. The smaller one goes on the left side and the larger one goes over the throttle tube on the right. We'll start with the clutch side. Apply the grip glue, be generous with it, and evenly cover the handlebar. Next, put a bead of glue around the inside of the grip. When you're ready to slide the grip on, make sure it's in the position you want it to be in, as you don't want to be twisting it once it's already on. Once it's on, repeat the process for the throttle side. Make sure to check if you have a conventional MX-style throttle tube or a different one like this. After you're done, wipe off any extra glue with a rag.